Damps.
So we're on our way to Faded Studio Barbershop. My boy Gabe, and he's gonna be using Boost Hair Fiber on one of his clients. He picked out a model, and I was like, yo, let's just film it. Let's just film it, see what we get out of it, post it on YouTube. So I'm not sure what kind of cut he's doing. I'm not sure what his model looks like, but he knows how to use Boost, and he's gonna give you guys a quick tutorial on how he gets it done and how he gets his clients looking fresh. Now this is stuff that you can reapply if you're doing it on yourself, or if you're a barber and you need some tips on how to use enhancements properly. Who's there yet? So we'll wait for him. Right next door. Right next door. You guys didn't know, but I have an office space now. And it's literally right next door. So I want to give you guys a little bit of context on to why I want to do this. I used to watch this YouTube channel where a barber would go get shaves at a bunch of different shops all around the world, and it was just kind of cool. So for me right here, what I'm seeing is a lot of barbers use Boost Hair Fiber. So why don't I just pull up to all these barber shops and we see how they use it and break down the cut, and just get to see different environments, different vibes, where this barber culture is at. So this is a one-of-one video right now, but if I feel like it gets traction, or if I feel like it's fun to do or good, then we'll keep doing it. And it does help that the person we're filming is literally next door.
Oh, this camera? Then yeah.
My vlogging camera. Film?
Oh, that. Oh. It's not his station.
No, I won't touch nobody's station. Don't worry about that.
No, film station.
Barbers. Those same clients that pay you $50 for a haircut will pay a professional like me thousands to restore their hairline. I can teach you all about it right now online. All you have to do is click the button below. This haircut took me 45 minutes and I got paid $50 for it. Meanwhile, this hair unit service took me 120 minutes and I got paid $1,050 for it. Most barbers don't realize that by not offering hair unit solutions, they're letting thousands of dollars leave their chair. Great barbers don't just cut hair. Great barbers solve problems. Click the button below and stay ahead of the trend by creating a hair unit business for 2022. Let's get it. Take crumbs, make bread.
Damps.
Okay, so here we go, the MVP.
Respect,
the MVP, here we go.
That's good, Sage. So yeah, this is my section. I mean, well, it's simple. We kept it mostly utility when it comes to the stations. Yeah. Lots of space to storage, to put my equipment, my products.
How long you been cutting for?
I think I'm on my 5th year now.
5th year, and you got your own spot. I
mean, make sure you got people following you, because or else you're just jumping boat for no reason. Yeah. So make sure you got people following you. As clients, I mean, like people that get you booked, people that can make you, genre, how do you say that? Like stay afloat.
Keep you busy. Yeah, just keep you busy. Make sure you can cover your expenses.
That's for sure. That's for sure. Number one. Yeah. So like build it up. Once you're ready and you have already like a good concept behind, or you know what you want to do, man, just go for it yourself.
To Faded Studio, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, before and after, spin them around, or just slowly. This guy knows what he's doing, bro. He's done it before, that's why.
Yeah, that's one more. Sorry, you've done the bone.
Let me get the front. Let me get the front too.
Okay, yeah, hold on. No doubt.
Funny, bro. What are you talking about? You didn't come here for no.
I'm like, yo, just drink a bottle. That's what I jusqu'au 15. Non, ouais. Ça, c'est pas beaucoup. Hein. Ouais, là, c'est exactement ça. C'est un bon rider. Si là, t'as perdu, c'est un beau, c'est un...
But yeah,
Go that often. It's just like
my boy, like the girls are falling in love with him, bro. Like,
and I was testing my game.
yeah.
They're really different. Turn him. The other side.
No, you're clearly not aspiring. You're having fun on the streets.
It's not even that. It's just that like I don't even like go out on dates. I don't do nothing much crazy. Ça va?
Any of your clients drink that?
Huh?
Any of your clients drink the beer?
Yeah.
Have you?
It
It tastes
blonde? No, I actually like it. It's a good blonde. It just really depends on.
I got some stickers for you. Forgot to bring them. That looks good, bro. You look good.
See, natural.
Easy. That was easy. That was very easy. Almost too
natural,
easy.
But definitely a big difference in the before and after. This is a bit too.
See the difference between like the dopest IG barbers and the people who you don't think are at their level yet is you got to get all clients like this. Clients who, like, this looks good, bro. Yeah, how the hell did you get it looking so good?
I love cutting hair actually.
I always tell people like the amount of in my whole career, probably like 3%. Yeah.
My high taper is better than this low taper.
Well, the picture you showed me was crazy. The one with the curls?
Oh non,
that was.
T'avais les curls dans la vidéo que j'ai pris de toi, puis celles qui sont mon IG,
That was like. Oh, this was nice, bro.
Ça c'était wow. Ça c'était pas la faire. So I don't use a white pan. I use a beige pan because it's more subtle.
Yeah.
It pops out. It's just more subtle on the skin. For example, with this one versus I think I have another one. Yeah. That's what I started with.
Yeah.
That's white. This one is more fat. It's more fat and clumpier.
Yeah.
While this one is more natural.
Yeah.
And I can really go smooth or I can go harsh.
Marco, this is the new age of barbering, bro.
Remove the excess.
Yeah.
And then after I go to the lineup. There's a bit too much. Always a bit.
Okay, we wipe it down a bit. No, they put makeup on, and your skin, everything looks flawless, bro. It's like, oh shit, maybe I should walk around like this every day.
Yeah, it's tough. That's on.
All this guy's missing a sunny day, bro. Sunny day.
Pas beau un produit comme ça aujourd'hui. J'ai déjà commencé à blend pour pas regarder ici.
The man that's been bruised, it's been 5 years since I'm not legal, and still I ain't sleeping. Putting you on this road like I'm on probation, after the boys on cover, don't carry any shots on body on camera. I see niggas trying to rap, and they're the same person they ain't no.
Là, c'est une forme de l'avant.
Keep going, keep going. Hit him around, hit him around. This camera's gonna die any second now. One fast spin, one fast spin. Merry-go-round, yeah. There we go, Gabe. High five, high five.
My God.
Damps. Damps.